Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Facebook tutorial for beginners. If you are new to Facebook, then this tutorial is absolutely necessary for you. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to add work and education information into your Facebook profile. If you are a student or if you are a professional, then adding the work and education information into your Facebook profile is very essential, as these days when you apply for a new job, the employer also check your social media platform accounts including Facebook. So if you include your work and education related information in your Facebook profile, that makes your profile looks more interesting.
Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials.
Before starting, I would like to request you that if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and do like and share our video. So to add the work and education information into your Facebook profile, you should have a Facebook account. If you don't know how to create a Facebook account, you can watch this video and get benefited with this. Now, to add the work information into your profile, go to the profile settings, click on the profile button here. Okay, now here you can see an option called edit profile. Click on that. Now go down. Here you can see a button called edit your about info. Click on this button, and here in the left pane you can see the first section, that is a work and education. Here you can add your work, professional skills, university and school colleges. So just click on the plus button and you can type your school name here. For example, say I'm typing Delhi Public School. Okay, so to give you all the information, you can select from the list. Then here you can add the year, then you can add the month also if you wish. Okay, and here you need to mention whether it is a high school or the graduation, so you can uncheck it if it is a school. You can describe further. Okay, and just click on the save changes button. So this is a way how you can add the schooling information into your profile. Okay, now if you want to add a university, for the same fashion, click on the plus button, add the college or university name, add the year. Okay, from which year to which year, because if you complete your graduation it takes 3 years at least, right? So you can add the starting year and the end year. Then you can check this box if you are graduated from the given college or university. Then you can add the description here, and these options you can leave it because this information is not as important. Okay, and here you can add the option that you have attended these colleges for the university or the postgraduate. So if you have only graduated, you can check this. If you have postgraduated from the given college, then uncheck this checkbox and click on this button and add the degree, the postgraduate degree. Okay, MBA, MCom, MSc or whatever. And here you can select the visibility, whether you want to show this information to the entire world or among with the friends or only you. So such settings you can change. Okay, this option you can change later also, and click on the save changes button. So this section was university and the school was, this two was for your education, from the education point of view. Now if you are already a professional working in some private or government organization, then you can add the workplace here, and you can also add a professional skill here. So to add a workplace, click on this button. You can write the name of the company, your position, your designation, the city where you work, and a description which is optional if you want to add. And you can also add from which period you are working with this company, from which date you are working till present. Okay, and then you can click on the save changes button. Okay, but if you had also worked in some company in the past, you can also add the information of those company and your position in that scenario here by unchecking this button. Add the name of the company, position where you had worked earlier in the city, and here you can add the starting year, starting date, and you can here add the end date. Okay, so by that way you can add the work related information into your Facebook profile. Apart from that, you can also add a professional skill if you have a special kind of skill. If you have expertise in particular domain, you can also include that in your profile so that the employers look for those specialized skill can contact you, and you can get a very big opportunity. So this is a way how you can add the work and education related content into your Facebook profile, and you can make your profile more attractive in that way. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.
Please like, subscribe and share. We'll get back with an interesting video soon. Thanks for watching again.